Hi, we are team number 4 of the class Process and Manufacturing. I'm Andrea Hernandez.
Mariana Soto.
I am Linda Meneses.
And Andrea Cobian. Know the operation of water jet cutting and cut with varied shapes and materials.
This is the water jet cutting workshop, and it uses a very high pressure of water up to 55,000 psi, producing up to 3 liters of water per minute. This machine can cut only with water in case that we want to cut soft materials, like for example wood, plastics. The teacher told us that it is very difficult for this machine to cut acrylic and tempered glass. The other system of cutting is to add a resistant abrasive to cut hard materials like steel, titanium, and alloys. What we are seeing now is the chiller and the water pump. Security was very important for this practice. Here we have a special program where we can create the shape that we want to cut. It was important to correctly trace the path we wanted so the cutter can follow the shape that we want to form to avoid having errors in our piece. Here we could see how the cutter is working. The material it is cutting is foam, and this is the final piece that we obtained. Now we cutted a metal, and here we could see that a white cross is moving through the shape drawing. This is the path that we trace, and it shows us the movement of the cutter. These were our final pieces. We could see that the material doesn't have any modifications. We have a cut with high quality. The pieces doesn't have any burr, and when we took the piece, it wasn't hot. So these are some of the advantages that has to cut with a water machine.
OMAX 2626 jet machine has the smallest footprint, completely sealed and protected ball screw drive system, and also it is perfect for the shop's cutting processes with the smallest dimensions and also high precision. The dimensions of the whole machine is 2540 millimeters of height, 2946 millimeters of length, and 1829 millimeters of width.
First we put the piece into the machine and we stuck it with some pieces of the steel. So then we go to the computer and in the software we put the piece we want to cut. And we put the piece with points so the machine can cut into those points, and that's how we calibrate our machine.
There are many materials that can be cut within the machine, for example copper, aluminum, carbon fibers, composites materials, wood, ceramics, rubber, metal alloys, Inconel, Kevlar, paper, glass, steel, and others.
Water jet machine has more advantage than disadvantage and are the following ones. Is eco-friendly because does not produce pollutant emissions. The machine doesn't use heat, is safe for the operator. The process is efficient and quickly, is highly accurate, and in the final product we can have a smooth surface. And while the disadvantage is that it's expensive, the material that the machine needs.
The importance of develop the water jet cutting in Mexico is because we have to get our technologies forward, so we don't stop with the traditional cuts. And the water jet cutting stops waste, so we can have more productivity, we can work faster, and our products can be cut more precisely.
We saw that the final piece showed a smooth surface and no imperfections, and there were little defects.
What I learned from this practice is that we have to be precise putting the points in the software so our code can be precise and we can get a better product.
What I learned during this practice is that you have to be very careful when you put all the data in the machine, because you have to be very precise, and also you can have a perfect piece.
In this practice, I learned that the water jet machine is a better choice when we need to cut something, because it has a lot of advantage. It's safer, it's eco-friendly, it's more quickly.
I really enjoyed this practice because it was really interesting to see how the material was being cut by the machine. And also I conclude that this is a fast procedure, but it is also very expensive because of the cost